As you can see, it's the right here air filter for the inside. Push it back, remove the cover. And right here is the air filter for cabin. Remove it. And you have to be careful with airflow, otherwise you might damage your blower motor. Right in here, just like airflow, you have to be careful. And just like that, push it all the way up. And it falls out, and I'm gonna need the second one. So now it's tight. That was kind of tough, but that's it.